Okie dokie. What's up, friends? It is Mike at Spirit of 1876. We're doing a little brand highlight feature, new product release, informative video here on James Baroud. If you're not familiar, one of our favorite brands. We've been carrying them since we opened in 2018, so not new to us by any means and not new to the market. They've been around for 30 plus years. And they've always been known as like a premium option, right? They're expensive as shit, I'll say it. But the reason why they're as expensive as they are is because they really just like, they're not trying to make a cheap tent. They're trying to make the nicest tent on the market in the world. And with that comes some prices. So with the pandemic a couple of years ago, it created a lot of range in the market, right? And James Baroud probably felt that in terms of we were introduced to a rooftop tent that was under $1,000. Everyone and their brother had a new model coming out, and these guys are still hand making these rooftop tents in Portugal. So when they decided to take on a more cost-friendly rooftop tent, they didn't do it like other companies do. A lot of companies will use cheaper materials. James Baroud opted for less, more expensive materials, if that makes any sense. One thing, I guess, let's start off by saying this is the new James Baroud Nova. As you see it here for $26.50. As you see it, ABS plastic, 3 crossbars, clamshell tent. I'm 6'3", can fit in this tent, so weight lengthwise not an issue. Going back to the price, how did they get to $26.50? Not cheaper materials, less materials. Same ABS plastic as you have on their premium Magma tent, however less fabric. This is their super premium aluminized fabric. They do not have a solar powered exhaust fan. That's something James Baroud has been known for and have had in their tents since, I think, 2010, we'll fact check that, but it's been quite some time, over a decade for sure. So this tent eliminates that, a couple $100 there. It is not a full pop, so only 2 legs, less fabric, less legs, no fan. These shaving off a couple $100 here and there is what allows them to come out with a tent at an affordable price point, although it is still super nice. Everything from the mattress to the fabric is the same that you'll find on there, but again, just less. Like the headliner on this tent is non-existent, whereas this has that kind of 1-inch foam insulated, nice headliner that you've come to love with all the James Baroud tents. When I talk about James Baroud, I say that it sleeps more like a camper because it is really well insulated. Their Evasion series, as you see over there, has 3 layers of fiberglass, and inside it's just quiet with all that insulation, that 1-inch foam padding in the ceiling. It's nice. It's not as loud. There's not as much fabric blowing. There's no poles hanging out. It's sleek when it's closed and on your rig, and it's sleek and quiet when you're sleeping in it. So huge fan. And this, from the opposite side of the spectrum, is their new Odyssey Magma series. This is a limited edition, only comes in this lava-looking black with red accents. There's a limited number of these. This is number 156. Should we show them? Show them. Let's open it up. But this is gonna be kind of your full pop style, similar to the Evasion or the Grand Raid that you've seen over the years. The difference between the Evasion and the Grand Raid are the Grand Raid has that cargo deck on top for gear, and the Evasion is just like this tent. Fully pops up, 360-degree views. Corey, would you mind showing them? Just show them. Take down that zipper in the front and it will open up the full looks. Oh, it's got a pungent new smell. That's nice. Holy shit, you got in that thing? Sketch. It's on horses, folks. This is just temporary. But these tents, look at that. This is a James Baroud exclusive. They kind of started this, but no seams, fully 360 degrees, incredibly nice. LED lights around the whole perimeter of this thing, Bluetooth controlled from your phone. Again, solar powered exhaust fan. The difference between, I think I was getting into these two because as you see, this is orange. We brought in the first orange tent 2019, still got it. You can get any color your little heart desires. With the fiberglass tents, they use 3 layers and they gel coat these things any color in the rainbow. I don't know what that book of colors is, but any color you want. We just installed a turquoise blue one on a customer. I've done the orange. I had an army green one. Let your little imagination run wild. But yeah, I wanted to introduce you to the Nova. I wanted to highlight the new Magma series and remind you that the Evasion or this model, the Discovery, is still alive and well. What else? 2650. The crossbars come with it. This tent, $6K. Like I said, it's nice, but it's not cheap. But they know what they're doing. They've been around forever, have the best warranty in the game, and we're big fans. So if you've been considering these tents, now's the time, specifically because they just lowered their prices a little bit while everyone else is raising their prices because of tariffs and this and that. So the delta between a Chinese mass-produced white label tent from any company, AYZ, has become a lot smaller to getting a premium European high-end tent like James Baroud. So let me know in the comments. Also, please like and subscribe. I can't even do that. Eric's been asking me to say like, subscribe, tell people we're informative here. We try to be at least, but we're keeping it short and sweet. We love these tents. James Baroud out of Portugal. Get them here at Spirit. We're out.